In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload to Creality Cloud. This process allows you to share your 3D models or G-code files with the community or simply store them for your personal use. Understanding these steps will help you make the most of your Creality Cloud experience. Let's dive into the first part of the upload process. First, you need to sign into your Creality Cloud account. This step ensures that you have access to your personalized space on the platform. You will see a familiar login screen where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one first. Signing in is crucial because it keeps your files secure and linked to your profile. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you are signed in, look for the plus button at the top of the page. This button is your gateway to adding new content. When you click on it, a menu will appear with several options. It is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to find what you need. Selecting this option is essential as it leads you directly to the upload feature, simplifying the process of sharing your creations. Next, select the option labeled Upload Models. This action directs you specifically to the area where you can upload your 3D models. It's important to choose this option if you want to share files like STL, CAD, or 3MF. You will notice the interface is user-friendly, guiding you through the upcoming steps. This clarity in design helps prevent mistakes and ensures that you upload the correct type of file. After that, you will upload your model file. Click on the designated area to browse your computer for the file you want to share. Select a file in one of the supported formats such as STL or 3MF. This step is significant because uploading the right file type is crucial for it to be processed correctly on the platform. Once selected, you will see a progress indicator showing that your file is being uploaded, providing reassurance that everything is working as it should. Now you need to choose whether the model will be public or private. This decision is important as it determines who can view your model. Opting for public allows other users to find and use your model, which can be great for community engagement. On the other hand, selecting private keeps your model for your eyes only. This choice gives you control over your content and how it is shared within the Creality community. Next, you will add details such as the model name, images, category, tags, and description. This step enriches your model's profile and makes it easier for others to find it. Including relevant tags and a clear description helps other users understand what your model is about. This is beneficial for visibility in searches and ensures your model stands out in the crowded marketplace. Take your time to fill these fields accurately as they enhance the overall quality of your upload. Finally, click Publish. This is the moment when your model goes live on Creality Cloud. Once you click this button, your model will be accessible to others if you chose the public option. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your upload was successful. This final step is crucial as it solidifies your work and allows you to share your creativity with the world. Now, let's move on to uploading a G-code file. First, open Creality Cloud and sign in. Just like with the model upload, this step is vital for accessing your account's features. Once you are logged in, you will be ready for the next actions. Click on the Upload button. This option is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Selecting this will lead you to a new set of upload options tailored for print files. This ensures that you are in the right section for G-code uploads, helping you navigate the platform effectively. Next, select Upload Slices. This directs you specifically to the area for uploading G-code files. It is essential to choose this option because it distinguishes G-code from other file types, ensuring that your upload is categorized correctly within the platform. It simplifies the process and helps prevent any mix-ups with different file formats. Now choose your G-code file from your computer. Click on the File selection area to locate the G-code file you wish to upload. This is a straightforward step, but it is critical to ensure you select the correct file to avoid any errors in printing later on. Once you make your selection, the upload process will begin, and you will see a progress bar indicating that your file is being transferred. Finally, wait for the upload to finish. This is a crucial moment where patience is key. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take a few moments. Once the upload completes, you will receive a confirmation message. This confirmation reassures you that your G-code file is safe and ready for use, whether for personal projects or sharing with the community. By following these steps, you can efficiently upload both 3D models and G-code files to Creality Cloud. Each action plays a vital role in ensuring your files are secure and accessible. Thank you for watching.